Hello guys, today we're going to take a closer look at the refrigerator thermometer you can buy from Aliexpress. And this is also a cheap one, but it's a very good one. I have to admit I have already used this for 3 weeks, and so I know it's working. But now I just want to show you how this is connecting together and everything. On the back side of the main unit you have a small lid which you can open up, and there is room for these 2 AAA batteries. There is a foot which you can do like this if you want to have it on the bench. There are 4 magnets. The magnets is, I have to say, slightly too weak to keep it up on the fridge. We will take a look at that afterwards when you have done the installation. So, inside the sensor 1 and sensor 2 there is AA batteries, and it's recommended to use what they call a lithium battery for refrigerator because they are coping very well with the cold. So before we insert both of them, let's put in one on each like this, and because when we are connected this one, it will start to search for the transmitters. So we put the batteries in the receiver first. It will boot up like this, and then you put the batteries inside the last batteries in both transmitters. They are marked with numbers 1 and 2, and bam, they will auto connect straight away. Maybe I should hold this so you can see it, but anyway, it goes to Fahrenheit. I live in Europe, so I like it to be in Celsius. So you can see both has been used in my refrigerator and my freezer. That's why you can see there are so high numbers, or low after. It's a sensor 2 and it's a sensor 1, so it's matching the numbers over here. So then you can decide which one you want in the freezer and which one you want in the refrigerator. The bottom line here is showing the temperature in the room. It has this max minimum temperature. It also will show up over here, and you can clear it by press clear. And then it will go a minute or 2 and it will be updated. You can also adjust some alarms. When the door is open, the alarm will sound if the temperature, it takes some time, I think 5-6 minutes, because you cannot turn the alarm on every time you open the door, so it has a delay on the alarm. It came also with a manual, which is fairly okay. I can show you to you here, so you can pause the picture if you like to read the manual. This was the front page, and then it also has page on the back side, which you then can read if you like here. I like manuals, so I really like to read them. You can also reset the connection by pressing the clear button for a few seconds. Let's try that. And then hopefully they should auto connect when they are ready. They are transmitting signal, I don't know how often, but this LED will then blink to show that it's transmitting. And there we go. That was one, and the other one will also blink, of course. And there we go. That was nice and easy. Yeah. Let me show you the magnet, because I think the magnet is a little too weak. Here we have my refrigerator. If you put it over here, you can see it will slide down. So magnets, too weak. But I have a curved door. So if I put it over here where it is flat, it's better. Sorry for the darkness here, but you see, it will stick. But on this curved door again, not so much. So then you have to put something under it to stop it. I put it over this logo, then it will of course stay on forever. The back side of the transmitters, a spring-loaded clip. You can hang it over a shelf or something. There's also a keyhole that you can use for a suction cup. I tried to use the suction cup that I had before, but it will not stick very good on the refrigerator. So mine is just lying loose inside, but if you like, you can clip it onto something. So there you have it really. It's not so much to tell about it. I can of course show you the alarm system, but yeah, you can read it in the manual if you like to buy one like this. I will provide links for it down below so you can check it out, and also up in the corner or somewhere here so you can click and check it out. I can really recommend this one. It's really good. Okay, that's all from me this time. Hope to see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.